Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a seller account on Eldorado.gg. In this video, let's get over how to create a seller account on Eldorado.gg. First, head over to the website, click Login. This is also where you'll find the Create an Account option. Enter your email, set a password, confirm it, and then verify your account using the code sent to your email. Once confirmed, your basic account is created. Now to start selling, look at the top right corner, select Sell. You'll be prompted to verify your identity. This step is required before listing products. Choose whether you're registering as an individual or a company. Then fill in your basic details and choose your selling category. Next, upload a valid government issued ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or student ID. Make sure all information is clearly visible. You will also need to upload a photo of yourself holding your ID for verification. Once that's done, click Submit Documents and wait for approval. After verification, you're all set to start selling on Eldorado.gg. Simple, secure, and ready to grow your business. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.